guys, welcome to video 2 on our Thanksgiving. For this video, I'm going to share with you 2 Thanksgiving themed activities you can do with your preschoolers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 activities that work on name recognition as well as shape recognition. For the first activity, we're going to create a pilgrim's hat. I would create the hat itself ahead of time and then let the children practice putting the different shaped buckles on the pilgrim's hat. If you wanted to, you could have multiple pilgrim's hats and the buckles outlined on the pilgrim hat so they have to match the shapes, or you can just let them play with the shapes and talk about the different shapes as they're playing. The second activity is a name recognition activity, and it's to create a turkey. For this activity, I went ahead and created the turkey body and head on a sheet of paper, and then I would give them feathers with one letter from their name on each feather and have them practice putting the letters in order to spell out their name. Thanks for watching those 2 activities. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like, and I will see you in our next video on Thanksgiving. Bye.